Good morning, welcome back to the flip-flop vlog. It's the 2nd of August, height of summer. Doesn't look like height of summer. It's actually not raining today, but it's grey and it's forecast to rain. So this is our week's summer leave. Bit dismal. We were originally booked to go camping. That plan has changed. And that is because Oliver, when we got him, we had to agree that we were here with him for 4 weeks. So we had a choice. We either couldn't get him or we cancelled our holiday. So we have postponed or cancelled it again. I think this is the 4th time now. The first 3 was because of COVID. And now this time it's because of that little one. Oliver. So, anyway, a few issues to sort out this week, a few things to do, a few things at home, a few things sorting out at Mum's. This morning, Lorna's going for a haircut. She hasn't had one of them in over a year, so she's going to go and have that done. And I hope myself that she doesn't have too much off, but we will see. Got a warning light come up on the car, I've booked that in. They can't see that for 3 weeks. So, just got to hope it's nothing serious. Touch wood, the car sounds okay, drives okay, appears okay. So, yeah, don't know what's wrong. Anyway, that's the update for this morning. We're going to head into town now. I've got to get out of bed, thank God. And yeah, see what we have in store for the rest of the week. It's not going to be sunbathing though, that's for sure. It's grey, the grounds are wet out there, it's miserable. We've hardly got out there all year, so yeah, it's not been good. Never mind, we had a week's worth of sunshine where it was blazingly hot. That was it. Okay, off into town. See you later. So, good morning to Lorna.
Good morning, people. Good morning, beautiful people. We are on our week off today. So yeah, it's good to have a week off today. Well, actually we're supposed to go camping this week, but we decided to cancel it because of Oliver, the new arrival. And so we decided, okay, to stay at home, relax, chillax, and just stay at home and enjoy our time off. And today I have booked myself for a haircut. I'm going for a haircut today, and this is my original hair now. It's very, very long. It's up to my, what do you call this, waist actually. And I decided, because I've not had any haircut for nearly 2 years, and so I am going to cut it for a change today. So I have booked it yesterday to have it today, so hopefully I'll see it later how it's gonna go through. Yeah, see you later.
So it's all a bit weather depending at the moment. We're hoping to stay dry. There was a few spots of rain on the way, but we'll see how we go. That's what's left of the old Crawley club. be completely renovated. Behind Overline House there you have the old nightclub, which is also a bit derelict now. And the back of County Mail. Such a grim looking building.
Upper Mall floor.
What?
It's called Saloon 12 Mankind.
Just coming down to get a card for Lorna while she's having a haircut. You can just see the hairstylist. They're working on Lorna's hair. Can't quite see Lorna. Just having it finished there. No, don't come that. Don't stick it in. Well, turn around. Happy?
Yes. There you go. Here's the finished product. So yeah, I like it. I did parting in the middle, and then I had some fringe as well. Now the length was so long a while ago. Now just put one shoulder. So yeah, I'm very pleased with it. So really, my hair feels lighter. So yeah.
And that was Salon 12 in County Mail in Crawley.
Yes.
And it took about 35 minutes.
Not too bad. It's beautiful. Yes. Her name, the lady who did my hair, her name is Brooke, so highly recommend. Yeah, highly recommend it. Yeah, very good. Very good.
Hello, it's the next day and we're back at Mum's. She's having the plasters round to get this ceiling finished this morning. And we got some work to do in the garden. And she's still not got her voice back. So it's really lovely and peaceful. And we got to do some dump work and stuff today. And Lorna's just sitting down relaxing.
I'm not relaxing. Hello, good
She's probably admiring her haircut.
Yeah. Yeah, beautiful hair.